Hey, it's Pam. We're gonna try something a little different today. I have my red Machinatza here, my red mini Machinatza, excuse me, and it wants to grow up, as you can see. So it seems to me that maybe this is not the best device for it to be on. I think I'm gonna put it on a pole, and I'm going to try them on one of these little DIY poles. They come like this, and then you roll them up, and then I'm gonna stuff this stuff moss in there, and then we're gonna put it all in here, okay? And then we're gonna figure this shit out. Okay, this one wants a pole. I haven't given it enough of a pole. It is a stripper, apparently, in the best possible way. I love strippers, don't. Okay, let's fill the pole. I could probably put this on there and roll it up, couldn't I? It's nice because you can kind of see through it. You can see if you missed any spots. There's a down arrow on here, slightly narrower at the bottom. It's totally made to stack. So now I'm gonna plant it. I'm trying to keep it kind of close to one side so I can stick the other one behind it without damaging the roots too much. Oh, that looks different. Okay, I like it. This is actually really easy since I already had moss. We'll see how it likes it, but I like it. I'm gonna use some more of these.